is a great month. The season's just a couple weeks away. Anticipation is at an all-time high right now. Prepping trees, hanging cameras. It's work, but it doesn't really feel like work. You're imagining the dividends it's going to pay in the fall. Scouting new ground, revisiting old ground. I'm just trying to figure it all out.
If you've been at it for a long time, it's about managing expectations for what's to come. And sometimes we get our heads wrapped around these ideals. And when the season doesn't play out the script we have in mind, it sets you up for disappointment. And that can suck some of the fun out of it. So don't overthink it. Nothing wrong with being prepared, but leave room for surprises. Sometimes it's nice to mix things up a little.